Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional project front page in Microsoft Word, also known as a cover page design. A well-designed front page is very important, especially for school projects, research papers, office reports, and presentations. It creates a strong first impression and makes your document look organized and professional. The good news is, you don't need any design experience to do this. Microsoft Word already has all the tools you need. Let's begin. First, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Before designing the cover page, it's a good idea to set up the page properly. Go to the Layout tab and check the page size. Make sure it's set to A4 or letter, depending on your requirement. You can also adjust the margins if needed, but the default margins usually work fine. Next, let's add a title. Click near the top center of the page and type your project title. Once typed, highlight the text and go to the Home tab. From here, you can change the font style, font size, and font color. Choose a clean and readable font. For project titles, a larger font size works best to make the title stand out. Now, let's center the title properly. With the text still selected, click the Center Align button. You can also add spacing by pressing the Enter key to move the title slightly downward for better balance on the page. Below the title, you can add important details such as the student name, project name, subject, teacher's name, school or company name, and date. Type each detail on a new line and adjust the font size so it's smaller than the title but still easy to read. To make your cover page more attractive, you can insert shapes or lines. Go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and choose a rectangle or line. Place it neatly under the title or around the page. You can change the color and thickness of the shape using the Shape Format tab. Another great option is adding a background color or design. Go to the Design tab and click Page Color to apply a subtle background color. Make sure to choose a light color so the text remains readable. You can also insert a logo or image if required. Go to Insert, click Pictures, and select an image from your computer. Resize and position it properly so it doesn't overpower the text. Once everything is in place, review your front page. Make sure the alignment is clean, the spacing looks balanced, and the text is free from spelling or grammar errors. And that's it. You've successfully created a clean and professional project front page in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials.